This video, I am going to show you how to add bullet points in Webflow. Let's get started. First, go to webflow.com and log into your Webflow account. Here, you can either continue with Google or SSO, or you can manually type in your email address or username and password. After logging in, you will be directed to Webflow dashboard. Now you can choose the project you like to edit. Click Open in Webflow. Once you're in the project, here click the plus icon Add Elements. Then scroll down and click the List section, or you can drag it wherever you want to place it. Here you have an option if you want it unordered or ordered. Then click on Bullets. On the right side of the screen, you can change the styles of the bullets. Now, if you want to add some text, click the plus icon Add Elements again. Scroll down and go to Typography section. Then click on Example you want to add heading. Drag it, then put it into the bullets. You can also change the size and height of the text. Just click on Show All Settings. And you can edit it here. And that's it. You have now added bullet points in Webflow. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.